Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we do question number 3 from worksheet 5. Link of worksheet 5 is in description. Question number 3 is limit 0 to 1 by 2, 1 upon 1 plus x square root 1 minus x square dx. For doing this, we suppose x equals to sine theta. Now differentiation of x is dx, differentiation of sine theta is cos theta d theta. Now we must find newer limits for theta. When x equals to 0, we put 0, x equals to 0 here for getting new lower limit for theta. We all know that sine 0 is equal to 0. So theta equals to 0 degree. Now when x equals to pi by 2, upper limit, new upper limit is sine theta equals to 1 by 2, and we know that sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So new upper limit is theta equals to pi by 6. Now we put these limits here. New upper limit is 0, new lower limit is 0, and new upper limit is pi by 6. Now value of dx is cos theta d theta. One plus value of x is sine theta. One minus sine square theta cos square theta. Root cos square theta is equal to cos theta. Cos theta cancel out. Now our question becomes limit 0 to pi by 6, 1 upon 1 plus sine square theta. Now for doing this, we divide each and every term of numerator and denominator by cos square theta. So numerator becomes 1 upon cos square theta and denominator becomes 1 upon cos square theta plus sine square theta upon cos square theta. One upon cos square theta. We all know that 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So 1 upon cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 upon cos square theta again is equal to sec square theta. Now sine theta upon cos theta, it is equal to tan theta, so it becomes tan square theta. Now we break sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta. Tan square theta, tan square theta, 2 tan square theta. One plus 2 tan square theta d theta. Now we take 2 common from the denominator. Numerator as it is, sec square theta d theta. Denominator becomes 1 by 2 plus tan square theta. We can write it as sec square theta whole square of 1 upon root 2 plus whole square of tan theta. Now for doing this, we suppose tan theta as t. Differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta d theta equals to dt. Now we again find new limits. When theta equals to 0, t equals to, we put theta equals to 0 in it, t equals to tan 0, and all of we know that tan 0 is equal to 0. So new lower limit is also 0. Now new upper limit, when theta equals to pi by 6, t equals to tan pi by 6. We put theta equals to pi by 6 in it. Now all of we know that tan pi by 6 is 1 upon root 3. One by 2. New limits are 0 to 1 upon root 3. Sec square theta d theta, it is equal to dt whole square of 1 upon root 2 plus t square 1 by 2 1 upon a 1 upon root 2 tan inverse t 1 upon root 2. Now limits are 0 to 1 upon root 3. 2 upon root 2 is equal to root 2. Now we apply first upper limit minus lower limit. First we put 1 upon root 3 in place of t minus we apply lower limit which is 0. रूट 2 अपॉन रूट 3 माइनस tan इनवर्स 0। tan इनवर्स रूट 2 अपॉन रूट 3 minus tan inverse, we all know that 0 is value of tan 0. So our answer is 1 upon root 2 tan inverse root 2 upon 3. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.